Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna read This is the Construction Worker Storybook. This is a construction worker. These are her clothes. This is the hard hat and boots with steel toes. These are the gloves and the bright orange vest. This is the tool belt and now she is dressed. This is the truck that drives to the side. These are machines that sat quiet all night. This is the foreman, the boss of the crew, who tells the all workers what they need to do. This is the dump truck. This is the load. This is the gravel and it dumps on the road. This is the beam, this is the space, this is the crane that will hoist it in the place. This is the scaffold that reaches the sky. This is the clang and the bang and the cry. And now comes the moment they all love the best, when each of the workers sits down for the rest. Then each of those workers at work once again, walking and riding, pushing and sliding, drilling and screwing, and painting and gluing, hauling and rigging, and crawling and digging, pounding and banging, and bashing and clanging. This is the grind of the gears and smell of the diesel and oil. These are the shouts and the cheers. This is the sound of the toil. This is the glint of the steel. This is the hint of the spire. This is the sun on the beams and the grinders that climb ever higher. From sun up to sundown, they know what to do. Each of the workers a part of the crew.